Hey guys! So today gagawa tayo ng Choco Cereal Slime! Kung bago ko lang sa channel ko, I'm Isabella. Welcome to my vlog. So ayun nga, gagawa ako ng Choco Cereal Slime! So let's start! So ang gagamitin kong color is yung brown poster paint. So yun, dito, tapos ito naman. Okay, let's put the blue. Tapos i-close lang natin. Tapos ilagay na natin yung brown coloring. And gagamitin ko tong stick na to kasi ito, hindi siya kasha. Ayan. Tapos, so ito na lang pala. So, no. Anuhin ko na lang siya. Parang hilugin. Okay. Tapos, wow, that like kind of works like that. So I don't know guys kung nakikita niyo siya, pero so dadagdagan ko pa siya kasi mukha siyang red, light red. So nope. Okay. Just mix it. So, finally, nakuha ko na yung tamang kulay niya. And, nakita na naman na sobrang dami kong nilagay. Pero, okay lang. Okay, let's just close the poster paint. Yan. So, yan. So, looks like melted chocolate. So, mag-add tayo ng activator. It's kind of cool because it looks like you're mixing chocolate milk. Like actual chocolate milk. This is an arm workout. Pangalay. So ito na yung itsura ng chocolate milk. Oh, wow. Stretchy. Love pala. Dali. Ano natin, stretch natin. It's so stretchy. I want to do it again, but I want to have more space. Stretch. Diba guys, parang ang haba nun, pero ganito lang to kadami. Wow. So, isi-swirl na natin and lalagyan na natin siya ng chocolate cereal. Sobrang ganda niya and it looks edible. Para talaga siyang pagkain. And sobrang ganda. Like, and ang ganda nung may mga malalaki pa siyang ganito. And guys, that's the end of the video and I hope guys na nagustuhan niyo yung Choco cereals na ginawa ko. Like, it's so pretty. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye-bye!